And this website is going to give you $3 which you're going to claim. But that is if you click first link on the description of this video, come here and then just tap on claim. And then when you tap on claim, it's going to take you to automatically register. All you have to do is just put in your email, password, and referral code is playing on the screen now. You can just put it here. Or if you want to just use your Gmail or your Google account, you can just tap on Google and then register with your Gmail and Google account. Now all you have to do is to come here and just tap on download app. Then it's going to take you to Play Store, which you're going to download the app. Let me show you guys how it's going to look on your own mobile phone. So here you're just going to download the app. So this is the particular logo here, so don't just go and download anything. This is the main logo of the app. It's going to show you. You're just going to skip all of this, and this is how you're going to see. Now you see in this application it says that it's going to give you $3. This is the $3 that you have earned by just tapping that referral link. So don't forget to tap on the referral link under the description of this video. Now you can see here our traffic is just 0.000 gigabytes that you have shared. So actually on this website, what this website does is that it enables you to earn by sharing your data with other people. You know the way you used to on hotspot for people for free, but this is a place whereby you on hotspot and you're going to get paid. It's going to convert to money. Come down here on your mobile phone and then tap on share or share internet. This is how it's going to show. It's going to show you allow background sharing. That means even if you minimize the application, it's going to be sharing in the background. So what you're just going to come here, just tap on continue. It's going to bring you to this option. So what you're going to just tap on is allow, and then when you allow, it automatically starts to share. That is one way you can start to earn. Now you can see here it say you are now earning. You are now earning because you are now sharing your data. That means your data is sharing. Now if you want to stop sharing your data with people, you just tap on this stop sharing and it's automatically going to stop sharing your data with people. But why do you want to stop your data with sharing? Like just share your data and make money. And I'm going to show you guys how to effectively refer people. And don't click out of this video because I'm going to show you guys another application just like this so that you can have two of them and use two of them to earn money online. So now you can come here, you can see this is your earning, your normal earnings, and you have your bonus. Or if you tap on referral earnings, then it's going to bring you to referral earnings, where you're going to see you have no referral because you have not referred anybody. So I'm going to show you guys how to effectively refer people. Don't worry, just stick to the end of this video. Tap on refer request payout. You notice that it's going to tell you that you have to have a minimum of $5. You need $5 to be able to cash out from this platform. Yeah, so just keep sharing your data and also your referral link, and I'll show you other ways you can earn too on the platform. And the beautiful thing is, if you refer your friend, you're going to earn $3, and your friend too is going to get $3, and you're going to get 10% of every payout. And then you can, when you tap on that referral, you're going to see your referral code. So this is my own referral code, so you don't forget to use it as when you're registering on your own platform, so that I can see money and buy juice. Thank you. Now I want you to slide down. When you slide down, you're going to see these options: referral link, QR code. You can copy your QR code, you can copy your referral link here. But what I want you to do is to tap on this social media post. I'm going to show you guys one beautiful thing about this platform. So when you tap on social media post, it's going to bring you here. So you see it's giving you flyers, different flyers that you can use to promote this particular page. So what you're going to do is just to tap on any of them. When you tap on any of them, it's going to show you this other place where you're going to choose the text that you want to use and you want to generate on the flyer. So you can just choose anyone. There's a lot of text you can choose from. Let's just choose this one and then tap on generate. When we tap on generate, it's going to bring us here and you can see the text that we generated, and it has already created a flyer for us automatically. And all we can do is just to tap on share. Now you have to know how to share your referral link. Don't just go about posting your referral link anyhow to people. If you post your referral link to me anyhow, I'm never going to click on that your referral link if you don't do it and organize it well. So let me show you guys how you're going to do it. Now that you've gotten the flyer, what you're going to do is now go and send it to your own self on WhatsApp. Let me show you. And you're also going to copy your referral link and then go and post it under the image. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you can see this is what I'm talking about. You can see this is my referral link here, and then this is the flyer that I sent to myself. When you tap on share, it's going to give you option to share, so you can share it to also yourself, or just share it to yourself, or download it and then keep it. And then you now copy your referral link and then attach it here and just keep it here. So you can literally see my account. I started sharing my data and I have already earned like 20 cents at least for 0.1 gig that I sent. Remember when we started registering, we had like 0 gig that we've shared, and we just had the bonus of $1 and 0.0000 cents. But now we have $1.20, and you can see here this is my IP and stuff, and that is just how you're going to do. So you just keep on sharing and just minimize, download the application on your phone. It's more better. Now you can, if you come here, there are also surveys where you can earn with surveys, but not every time you're going to get opportunity to find the surveys. I don't know why, for some reason. So there's also survey. Then you can now come here and then go to games. Games is a new one, the new way you can earn with this application. This is going to be more better when you do it on your phone. All you have to do is just to come down here and then you just select the kind of game. Let's just see this one. So you can see here your complete event. So that is just a lot of ways you can earn with it. So now you must know that this particular game I selected is for iOS users, so it's not for Android users. So just take note of that. You're going to be careful. You're going to check and see. You can see this for Android and this is for iOS. That is for iPhone users. And no, here is iPhone. You can see here from this from the logo here, you can see it's iPhone, and then here is Android. So you're going to now select Alibaba. You can see this, so you can just tap on it and then it's going to tell you all what you're supposed to do to earn the money. Just play it, use your mobile phone to play the games. And yeah, so when it comes to payout method, so just tap on payout method. You can see here, so when you're in Nigeria, these are you can use Payoneer, Bitcoin. I would recommend you download Payoneer. Recommend you register on Payoneer. You can watch videos on the internet how to register on Payoneer, and then you can use your Binance and then get it directly through Bitcoin like that. Just put your country here, you put your country, and I'm in Nigeria, so you put your own country. And then now the most interesting part, which I say, is sharing your referral link to your friends. So when you come to referral, that is invite a friend, you just come, this is your referral link. All you have to do is just to copy. You're going to go keep it in a secret place, maybe your notepad. So let's just take it to my note. So I've pasted it here on my notepad, and then that's what you're going to do. Now the big question is, how do you effectively refer your friend? Now let me show you how to effectively refer your friend. Don't just post this link anyhow. Give information and refer properly. Now let me show you. Now what you're going to do is to head over to TikTok, Instagram, however, wherever, and this is what you're going to do. So I want you to open your TikTok application on your mobile phone or your system, whichever, and you can do this with your TikTok account or your Instagram account or your YouTube, but let's use TikTok for this. So what you're going to do is now come to this search bar, and then when you come to this search bar, what I want you to type is this. That is the Pawns app review. So what you're literally going to do is just to look for videos that are already created about this Pawns app. Let's scroll down and see whether there are videos that we can use. So I think I saw one. So you can see this one, this particular one here. You can see it has 6,000 views alone. So what you're going to do is to tap on the video, and when you tap on the video, what you're going to do now is to come here, this share button, and then you're now going to tap on the share icon. You can do this on your mobile phone, and then you're now going to copy the link. Now when you copy the link, you go to this website called Snaptik. So you just come here and then paste the link that you have copied. So what you're going to simply do is just tap on download, and it's automatically going to give you permission to download. So you come down here and then just tap on download, and it's automatically going to download for you the video. Download. Now you now have the video here that you have downloaded. So what you're going to do is to send it to your WhatsApp. So I'll just send it to myself on WhatsApp, and I'll just send it to myself, and that's what you're going to do. Also, you're going to send it to yourself. Now you're now going to be posting this on your status. So after you've copied your referral link, after you've downloaded the video, you use that video and post the video. Now what you're going to do now is now write, after you've posted the video, you just write, if you're interested in this application, DM me. Don't post your link there. Do things right fully. If anyone is interested in the video, if they watch that video you've just downloaded from TikTok and posted in whatever social media you're using, when they see it and they are interested, they come to you. Don't go to people. If you're chasing people to buy things from you, or chasing them to buy things, is the wrong way to make money. So you're just going to make yourself attract those people. So when you post things like this, look for different kinds of videos like that. When you post them on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your whatever, then you now put DM me if you're interested in this website, and then a lot of people will DM you. Now I'm going to show you, I promised you guys that I'm going to give you guys another website, so I'm going to leave it in the link description, and that website is called the other website just like this, that you can also share your data and also refer friends, and the link to that website is going to be on the description of this video. So I hope you got value from this. Subscribe to the channel, like and share with your friends if you got value from this. Peace.